I really felt that it was a true partnership and that we were both bringing skill, resources, and expertise to the table, and that we needed to work in a true partnership manner. One of the things that I think, analogies that I like to make on this is traditionally NASA buys things. And while we talk a lot about partnerships with companies like Boeing's and Lockheed's in building the space station, the reality is we're buying something from them. We are paying for them to do that in the same way that I might buy and pay for someone to put a roof in my house. And I don't consider the roofer a partnership on my roof. I consider him the guy I hired to build my roof. And in this case, Orbital Sciences were bringing resources to the game. They were bringing their own funding. They were bringing a lot of design and technical resources to the game. Were being paid for by them. It wasn't everything just that NASA was paying for all their expertise and their activities. In addition, we were bringing money and we were bringing technical expertise to help them with their designs and to achieving their milestones and to meeting the requirements that we laid out in our IRD. So we were really working in a much more partnership manner. So in that respect, when I was talking to Orbital, I really felt that 9 times out of 10, I was representing NASA, obviously. I was representing the International Space Station, who was the other side of the partnership, ultimately. And then when I was talking to the International Space Station, I really felt like at that point I was representing Orbital. So I really felt that I was a go-between between these two major entities, and that at any given time, the person I was talking to, I was representing the person that was behind me. And if I was talking to the space station, I was representing Orbital. If I was talking to Orbital, I was representing the space station and NASA. So that go-between kind of position, I felt was important to establish that early, and to establish that a level of trust with both organizations that if I said something on your behalf or to you on the behalf of somebody else, that you could believe what I was going to say. And that trust was really a key to the whole activity.